Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can install the YouTube TV into your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and open the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on that under the best match, maximize this. In the search bar, type YouTube TV download, hit enter. You'll find the first option from tv.youtube.com, which is the official website. Click on that. So basically, you can access the YouTube TV in a browser, but that is in a browser. So every time you're going to use it, you still need to open your browser. So why not install it as a separate application from the browser? So click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on apps. Click on install this site as an app. Click on install. You can also click on allow. And now YouTube TV has been installed into our Windows. So here it is, as easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.